Hello guys! Today I'm going to teach you how to select, maintain and clean your induction compatible cookware. You'll need to check at the bottom of the sufuria for the induction sign. Another quick trick, you can also use a magnet. If it sticks, then that's it, it's compatible. After cooking, ensure you leave out the sufuria out to cool before washing it. When cleaning and using the glass lid, handle with care because it can easily break. In case of tough stains in the sufuria, soak the sufuria in hot soapy water for 10 minutes. Never use a harsh abrasive or steel wool to clean off the stain. Use a soft pad like this. To protect your cookware, we recommend the use of a wooden spoon or a silicone spoon when cooking. In case of any other issues, reach us on our customer care line and we shall advise accordingly.